Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planet related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest Notiq order, and this is actually the second order that I placed, so I'm still waiting for my first order. It hasn't gotten here, but let's go ahead and take this out. I wonder what this is. I don't think I've seen it before. Looks like a magazine cover or something. Let's open it up and take a quick little look. Notiq at 2. Oh, the anniversary issue, because they just had their 2-year anniversary. So there she is, the founder, VJ, such an amazing entrepreneur and just business owner. And then we have a little bit more information, so I can't wait to sit down and read this. But for now, let me go ahead and place it over here. And then we do have her sweet little note that she includes. And let's get right into it because I am super excited for my order. And let's go ahead and remove this pretty little tissue paper. And let's take a look. And I wonder if anyone is surprised that I picked up a pink cover. I love pink. If you've been here for a while, you know that I love my pink. And I actually already had this cover, which I believe is in the size Midi. And this one will fit your Erin Condren, your classic happy planner, and that's the Erin Condren Life Planner, and your Go Get a Girl planner as well. So I already had a cover like this one, but this one has their first their original logo, so I did want the up-to-date one, and I'm not a big fan of this yellow gold, so I did want the rose gold instead. So that is why I placed another order for this one. And actually the pink is a little bit different too. I feel like this is more matte, this is kind of shiny. But this one's more pink than this one. So I am already loving it. And look, the hardware, rose gold. And I actually got another one. So let me go ahead and place that one off to the side. Just want to show you the setup here in the inside, which is their basic style. The pockets over here. And then we have these pockets over here as well. Some on the side. And I did want to show you how each of these planners fit in here. So this one is the Erin Condren Life Planner, and this one is in the academic version, and it has that vegan leather cover on it. But let's just grab the back cover, just slide it through here, and then place it, and then we'll go ahead and close it. And there she is, not too snug and not too what's the word, too big either, so it fits in here perfectly. And if you didn't already know, I do have a coupon code for 10% off of your order, and that code is STEPH10. So if you guys ever want to save a little bit of money on your vegan leather covers, you may use that code and save some money. So here's the classic happy planner with classic discs on here, and it just fits so well in here. Super perfect, not snug but not too big either. She fits perfectly in here, and I love that the pen loop is in here. I just feel like that's a great place to have it. And then the last planner I want to show you is the Go Get a Girl planner, which I am using as my social media planner, and I just love this so much. So here she is. This one is a little bit bigger because she is a 5-in-1 planner, and so she's a little bit thicker, but she will close right up, and it's a snugger fit on this one. Not too much wiggle room here, but it does fit. It is perfect. She looks so pretty with this gray cover, so I love the way that she fits. And here is my current spread. I love it, super in love with it. But let's go ahead and check out this other cover that I got. So here's that one, And let's see, surprise, surprise, I got another pink one. And again, I wanted this rose gold here with the rose gold hardware. But same setup, just in a smaller size, because with this one, I am thinking of maybe even going back to a half letter planner. I miss being in a half letter. I love this size so much. I think I found my happy place as far as the size goes. I think the classic happy planner and the Erin Condren Life Planner are just too big for me. And the Go Get a Girl planner is just really working for me right now as a social media planner. So that one is actually the perfect size for me. But as far as like a catch-all, I love an A5 size. This half letter, it is just so perfect for me. So I found my happy place with the size. So here she is, fits really nice in here. So I think I might go to a half letter planner. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. And then you could also fit the new Erin Condren A5 planner as well. So let's see, slide it right in here. I'm guessing because it's the same size, it should fit, and it does. So it closes up really, really nice. So you have a few options of what could fit in this demi size. I believe this one is a demi size for an A5 half letter planner, but I recently did just get a day designer in the A5 size as well. Like, how pretty does that look? I love that. So let's see, let's go ahead and slide her in here, because this is what I'm actually thinking of using this cover for. So there she is. And oh no, actually she doesn't fit, and I'm thinking it's because of the coil. The coil is much bigger than classic size, or the classic size discs, and the wire from the Erin Condren. I think there's a big difference there. So here it is. I hope you guys can see that very well. But yeah, the coil size is much bigger, and I'm guessing that's why it doesn't fit in here. So that is a bummer. I really wanted to use this one here, but as you can see, it doesn't close. So that just breaks my heart, because that looks so beautiful, and I was really looking forward to using this planner with this cover. Oh, I just hate that. Oh, let's actually see if she'll fit in the bigger one. I don't know. Maybe not. Let's just go ahead and try it. So it slides in here, of course. And we do have a little bit of extra room up here and in the sides and down here. But let's see. Oh, but look, she does close on this cover. So I guess if I don't mind that there's a little bit of extra room here at the bottom and at the top, maybe I'll go ahead and just place it here. Well, that's an option, because I really wanted to use a cover for this planner, but I don't know. I'm just gonna have to wait and see. And they have a lot of options with the day designer. They have a book bound, they have A5 inserts. So maybe if I get a Notiq cover with the rings on here and switch over to A5 inserts with the day designer, maybe that could work. But for now, this coil does not fit the demi size Notiq cover, which is such a bummer, because I really love this layout. I'm barely going to use it this week, but I already can tell I love this layout. It is just such a great layout. I love the daily schedule here with no half hour. I just love that it's simple, to the point, there's no color. So I'm super bummed that it doesn't fit in the demi size, but it does fit in this midi size. So I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see what I decide to do. But for now, I love the two covers that I got. I love the rose gold detail on here, and I cannot wait to set these covers up with my planners. And like I mentioned, don't forget to use my code STEPH10, and I'll go ahead and leave that information down in the description box below so you guys can save a little bit of money. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.